You may have a friend or a family member, perhaps your father or your mother, complaining about their joints becoming incredibly sore. And they would presume that it is caused by their high uric acid levels. So naturally, they would ask you to buy some uric acid medicine. We want you to stop over there and don't rush to the drugstore just yet, because there are a lot of factors which causes your parents' joints to hurt. And it's not just uric acid. It might be caused by something else. So what can you do to know if it's uric acid or not? Well, first you should know the symptoms, and then you should know what really causes it. So what really causes it? Hey there healthy folks! Welcome to the Healthy Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you symptoms and the cause of high uric acid levels. But before we jump into the main part, we must understand what uric acid really is. Uric acid is a waste product found in your blood. It is created when the body breaks down chemicals called purines. So it is actually our body's natural metabolism. So what are the symptoms of uric acids? There are three common symptoms of uric acids. Number 1. Symptoms in the joints. Too much uric acids in the body causes joint symptoms in the form of gout, which includes pain, inflammation, swelling, redness, and tenderness when touched. Many people also say that the joints feel hot. One of the most common areas affected by gout is your big toe. Number 2. Skin symptoms. After a few years of continuous high uric acid levels and gout attacks, the crystallized uric acids may form lumps underneath the skin. They are called tophi and are usually not painful. They commonly form in the fingers, toes, elbows, and hands. When experiencing a gout attack, the tophi might become swollen and tender. Number 3. Kidney symptoms. High uric acids in the urinary tract might going to develop kidney stones. They are usually more common among men, and they can lead to various symptoms like back pain, pain in the abdomen, severe pain in the groin area, high fever, cold chills, nausea and vomiting, and blood in the urine. Now you already know the symptoms. Time for you to know what really causes the high level of uric acids. So you already know what uric acid is, and you have learned the fact that it is actually our body's natural metabolism waste. So how come it still stays in our body in such heavy amount? Well, when there are simply too much uric acids in your body, or your kidney doesn't perform like they should be, the uric acids in the body starts to crystallize. This crystallized uric acid can end up in the kidneys in the form of kidney stones, or in the joints where it causes gout, a form of arthritis. Therefore, it causes severe pain in your parents' joints. But that is only half of the cause of high uric acid levels, and here are the rest. Number 1. Overproduction of uric acids in our body. As we know it, uric acid is a waste that caused by our body's natural metabolism, especially protein and DNA metabolism. For simple example is for people who suffer from cancer, their body will have an excess amount of turnover purine from DNA metabolism, therefore increasing purine intensity in your body and end up in high uric acids. Number 2. Decreased excretion. Excretion is the process to eliminate or remove waste from our body. Uric acid is a waste that usually dissolves in our blood. High levels of uric acid tends to override the kidney and make it less effective. This can lead to waste in our body not being excreted, which makes the uric acid levels tremendously rising up and can develop some serious diseases such as kidney stones. Number 3. Not watching what we eat. This is one of the common habits that can cause high levels of uric acid if continued. Overconsumption of organ meats, red meats, and also seafood such as crabs and shrimps is equals to overconsumption of purine. Purine in our body will form uric acids. Overconsumption of alcohol is also the leading cause of uric acid, as well as medicine consumption such as diuretic and aspirin can also cause high levels of uric acid. Number 4 is stress. Stress is always mentioned when it comes to causing severe diseases. From high blood pressure, headache, all the way to uric acids can be caused by overstress. Stress leads to interruption in waste removal of our body. These interruptions leads to unremoved uric acids in our blood, thus increasing the uric acid levels. So the bottom line is, pain in the joints isn't always related to high uric acids. You need to know the symptoms first. One of the most common areas affected by gout is your big toe, and then you need to know what really causes it, which is crystallized uric acids in the joints that causes severe pain in the joints. This high level of uric acids is also caused by eating too much red meat, alcohol, and even consumption of aspirin and diuretic can cause high levels of uric acids. For better diagnosis of symptoms such as pain in the joints can be done by seeking a doctor, so that the real problem of what causes it can be effectively handled. I hope you found this video helpful, folks. Got any health or uric acid related questions? Feel free to ask in the comment section below. So smack that like button and make sure you subscribe to the Healthy Universe for your weekly healthy tips and tricks. See you healthy, folks!